nerve number 1, what is its name? Olfactory. Cranial nerve number 2, what is its name? Optic. Cranial nerve number 3 and number 4 are not on here. Number 3 is not on here. Oh, it is right there. Oh, damn, that sucks. Okay, so cranial nerve number 1 and number 2 are at the base of the cerebrum. Okay, number 3 and number 4, they actually come off of the midbrain. So there's number 3 right here. There's number 4 right there. If I were you, if he points to kind of this area right here and he asks you what cranial nerves come off of there, you should know 3 and 4. What does number 3 do? What is its name? Oculomotor. What is number 4? Trochlear. What do those 2 nerves do? They move your eye. Okay. What hole do they go through? Superior orbital fissure, right? That's where my orbit is. Does it make sense? So that's 3 and 4. So number 5 is over here. Okay. So 3 and 4 are going to be part of midbrain. Then 5, 6, 7, and 8 are going to be on the pons. And then the last 4 are on the medulla. So if he points to the pons, you have like 4 options that it could be. Okay. And you just want to try to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5. You have 6, 7, and then there's 8 down there. What does number 5 do? That's the trigeminal. So it's going to do sensory motor both? Both, right? You have your ophthalmic, you have your maxillary, you have your mandibular. So that's a loaded question, what holes they go through, isn't it? But what bone would 5 be associated most closely with? The sphenoid. Okay, so make sure you know all the stuff on the sphenoid because 5 goes through all of those. 5-1 goes through superior orbital fissure. 5-2 goes through rotundum. 5-3 goes through ovale. Okay? They're all right there. That's 5. Number 6, do you know what number 6's name is? Abducens. Apparently there's something on Crash Course that you check out abs, so you move your eyes and then you say deuces. I don't know. Watch Crash Course, okay? Okay? Because abs make you check. Don't ask me. So, what does that move? What does that do?
Abducts your eye.
It abducts your eye. What hole is that going to go through? Superior orbital fissure, right? That's where all of my eye muscles are. So it makes a whole lot of sense. So that's 6. There's 7. What's 7? Facial. What does facial do? Moves your face muscles, so you better know that one because now you have to know all the facial muscles. Okay? So if he puts anything on that boyfriend model on the face and asks you what is the innervation, it's either 5-3, 7, or 12. Oh. Okay. Look it up. Look it over, okay? So 7, what does 7 go through? What is 7 associated with? Stylomastoid foramen and internal acoustic meatus or auditory meatus. Okay, 7. That's 8. Okay, 7. So that means we have all of that, and 8 is going to be part of the pons, right? What is number 8? Glossopharyngeal. Okay. Vestibular cochlear. Vestibular cochlear. What does vestibular cochlear do? Hearing balance. What hole or what opening is it associated with? The meatus, internal acoustic meatus. Okay. So when you get the skull, what you want to do is you want to put like holes, like stuff through it, and you'll notice it goes in order. It goes like 1 through 12 in order. Okay. That's 8. Then we have 9. What's 9? Glossopharyngeal. So glossopharyngeal is going to do what?
Your throat.
Throat and your tongue. What hole does it go through?
There.
No idea. Ooh. Jugular foramen. Jugular foramen. Okay. That's 9. There's 10. you guys know what 10 is? Oh, you better know what 10 is. Vagus. Right? You guys know what vagus does? Directs you.
Organs.
It's the organs, yeah. So it's going to do parasympathetic of organs. What does number 10 go through?
Jugular foramen.
Jugular foramen. Guess what one he probably is likely to point you on this thing? The vagus, and ask you what it goes through, because he loves that one. Okay, so number 10 is down here. Okay, if you need to, start counting from the bottom up, because number 12 would be the last one. Okay, so that's number 10. Then you have number 11. Actually, you might not have. Oh, I'll show you where number 12 is. It's kind of weird. What's number 11? Spinal accessory. What does it innervate?
Trapezius and the sternocleidomastoid.
Trapezius, sternocleidomastoid. If you guys are getting answers to this, you're gonna rock your test. Okay. All right. Number 12 is really weird because number 12 is on the side right here, right there. Okay. So what is number 12? Hypoglossal. What's so what does spinal accessory go through? Jugular foramen. What does hypoglossal go through? Hypoglossal canal. What does hypoglossal do? Tongue,
Taste.
swallowing, under the tongue.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. So it's like here. The muscles like here for swallowing, and yeah, for swallowing. Okay. So those are all the cranial nerves, which pretty much all